Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sumo Cat true form. First, ensure you've completed Chapter 3 of the main story mode. This unlocks the ability for your cats to evolve into their powerful true forms. Next, you'll need to level up your Sumo Cat to at least level 20. This is a crucial step before attempting the special evolution stage. Once your Sumo Cat is ready, head to the special stages and find the Sumo Awakens event. This is the only way to obtain the item needed for its true form. While the item might drop on the first stage, it's guaranteed on the second. Prepare your best team with strong area attackers and plenty of meat shields to withstand the enemy onslaught. After clearing the Sumo Awakens stage and obtaining the necessary item, you're almost there. You'll need to continue leveling your Sumo Cat beyond level 20, typically to level 20 plus 10 or higher, by using duplicate cats. Then, gather the required cat fruit and experience points. Navigate to the cat evolution screen to finally transform your Sumo Cat into the mighty Rice Ball Cat. The Rice Ball Cat, Sumo Cat's true form, offers significant advantages. It gains a substantial increase in movement speed, making it much more versatile on the battlefield. It also retains its excellent defense and area attack capabilities, making it a formidable meat shield. Check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.